Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled vegetables in Story of Seasons, A Wonderful Life. Pickling is a fantastic way to add value to your farm's produce and earn more money. We'll cover everything from acquiring the essential pickling pot to combining ingredients and understanding the process. Get ready to transform your harvest into profitable, preserved goods with just a few easy steps. To begin your pickling journey, you'll first need the pickling pot. You can purchase this essential item from Van, the traveling merchant, when he visits on the 3rd and 8th days of every season. It costs 6,000 G, which is a small price for the profits you'll soon be making. Once acquired, simply place the pot anywhere on your farm, and you're ready for the next step. Now for the fun part, making the pickled vegetables. The process is quite straightforward. You'll need to place one vegetable from your farm and one wild plant, like mugwort or sorrel, into the pickling pot. Feel free to experiment with different combinations to see what unique flavors you can create. After adding your ingredients, simply wait for about 1 day, and your delicious, preserved goods will be ready. Making pickled vegetables offers several great benefits for your farm. Most importantly, pickled items sell for a much higher price than their raw counterparts, boosting your income considerably. This simple preservation method adds significant value to your hard-earned harvest. Don't be afraid to try different vegetable and wild plant pairings. Some combinations might yield even more profitable results. Happy pickling and enjoy your increased earnings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.